So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi! Have you ever been outside when it's raining? Yeah! What do you hold in your hand? Yeah, an umbrella, so then you don't get all wet. Why don't we draw an umbrella together? First, we have to draw a big half circle. Whoa! And then 3 smaller half circles the other way. There we go. And then we need to draw a letter J. Yeah, just like that. For the handle. Doesn't that look like the letter J? I know. And then if we draw lines like this, yeah, it has little sections that we can color it in and make a very colorful umbrella. So let's add some red right there. Whoa! Let's add some green. Whoa! There we go. And let's add some blue. Whoa! Now that's a colorful umbrella. Whoa! If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah! B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Today, you and I are gonna draw a bus. Not just any bus, Buster the bus from Go Buster. Wow, Buster is so cool. Yeah, he takes his job very serious, but not too seriously because he always has a smile. All right, to draw Buster, I'm gonna take a black marker and draw a rectangle, but with rounded corners. There we go. How does that look? Whoa, and let's draw a circle down here for a wheel and a tire. Ooh, and a little circle inside. Ooh, and a square right down there. All right, let's draw a rectangle right here for the front windshield, and then a smiley face, but you can't forget about the eyes, those half circles right there. And let's start coloring things in. All right, tires, as you know, are black. Yeah, there we go. But you can't also forget about the rear view mirrors. And then what color is Buster? Yeah, yellow. Here we go. Whoa! Cool, there you go, Buster. Now you have some color. Well, if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Have you seen me drive my Blippi-mobile? Oh, it's a really cool car, but not an ordinary car. Yeah, I have attachments and I can go in really cool places. Hey, why don't you and I draw my Blippi-mobile together? First, let's start with one wheel and tire, another wheel and tire, but then we need to take the orange and draw a circle inside there. Yeah, just like that. And then let's take the color blue and then draw a rectangle right in between. Yeah, see that? Whoa! And then we draw a circle like this. Yeah, and that's where I sit. And if we draw straight up, yeah, the back, you can color it in. Whoa! And right here, I'm going so fast. Cool. Well, if you love drawing with me, yeah, and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Rah! Today, you and I are gonna draw a shark. Not just any shark, a great white shark. Yeah, do you know what color they are? Yeah, the color gray. Gray on top, white on the bottom. All right, let's take our gray marker and make a curved line, make a point, come back. Whoa, and now for the tail. Whoa, yeah, look at that. That's a great start. All right, now we need to make some fins. There we go. All right. Yeah, it's really looking like a shark now. Look at all those angles and points. They kind of look like triangles, don't they? All right, now let's draw a line right through here. Wow, and now we need to draw the teeth. Rah! So pointy and sharp. Ah! And a nice circle for an eye. Whoa! Did you know great white sharks, on average, they grow to 15 feet in length. That's about 4.5 meters. Well, if you love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you want to draw a spider with me? Yeah! I like spiders. They are so cool how they can spin webs. Wow, isn't that unique? I know! All right, to draw a spider, I'm gonna grab this black marker and draw a circle. All right, just like that. And then, since they have 8 legs, let's draw 8 curved lines like that. There we go. And then 4 on this side to make the 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. And then let's draw a circle right here for an eye, circle right there for an eye, and then a smiley face. But this isn't just a normal spider. This is a black widow. Let's draw the hourglass over there. Yeah, pretty cool. Yeah, black widows have this red hourglass on the body. Yeah, you don't want to get close to those. Pretty cool. Well, I love drawing, and if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah, ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you see what I'm wearing? Yeah, my blue shirt. Ooh, and my orange suspenders. Oh, and check it out, my hat, and what's this? Yeah, my orange bow tie. Maybe you and I can draw my bow tie. I love wearing my bow tie because it's one of my 2 favorite colors. What is it? Yeah, orange. Then my other favorite color? Yeah, blue. All right, to draw my bow tie, we need to draw a circle right in the middle. Oh, and then we need to draw this big, looks kind of like a triangle, but it doesn't connect. And then over here, we'll do the same. All right. Whoa, starting to look like my bow tie, right? Okay, so now let's draw a very thin oval and one right here. Wow, and that kind of looks like it's wrinkled, right? Yeah, see? Oh, now that looks like my bow tie. Whoa, that was so much fun drawing with you. Wow, if you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. All right, will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi, and today you and I are gonna draw a dinosaur with plates on its back and spikes on its tail. Yeah, you guessed it, a Stegosaurus. All right, to draw a Stegosaurus, let's draw a curved line for its back. Ooh, and then a curved line for its tail, just like that. And then let's go down and draw 4 legs, because Stegosauruses had 4 legs. And then a straight line for the body, 2 more legs to complete the 4, and then, yeah, some curved lines for the head. Whoa, can't forget about the circle for the eye, and little smiley face. Yeah, but what's it missing? Yeah, the plates. And every Stegosaurus had 17 or more plates. So, will you count 17 with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Cool. All right, that was so much fun drawing the Stegosaurus with you. If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. See you later, Red Stegosaurus.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout.